इसलिए कर रही हूँ बिकॉज बहुत दिन हो गए मैंने अपना लुक चेंज नहीं किया. आई वांटेड समथिंग डिफरेंट फॉर माई सेल्फ. आई वॉज बोर्ड ऑफ लुकिंग एट द सेम इमेजेस ऑफ माई सेल्फ लाइक क्यूट एंड गर्ल नेक्स्ट डोर. आई वांटेड टू डू समथिंग डिफरेंट. सो इसलिए मैंने फ़ोटोशूट किया. And here we have done like a lot of looks, sexy, hot, bold, elegant and cute, bubbly too. So it's a complete package.
आपका सबसे फेवरेट लुक कौन सा रहा?
मेरा फेवरेट लुक द गाउन लुक. एक मैंने गाउन में जो किया विथ लवली पेस्टल ग्रीन कलर गाउन एंड so that had been my favorite look. Even this, I love this look too. It's very cute and bubbly at the same time hot, and I had fun shooting for this look with balloons and stuff. And I also like the sari look, which is very intense and serious kind of a look, very different. I've never portrayed such kind of a look ever, like so.
It's a coincidence. ऐसा जनरली होता नहीं था. आपका लास्ट फोटोशूट जो हुआ था वो भी सेम डिजाइनर ने किया, इस बार भी वो सेम डिजाइनर.
Exactly. So Sonalika was the designer, and then you only Dharmishta managed last time shoot, and this one also. And she handled everything so nicely, so I can just trust her completely. And it was fun. I wore Sonalika's gown, and this photo shoot has been styled by Sudeshna, and makeup by Kalpesh Dada, and hair by Salma. So it's lovely, and everything had been planned and organized by Dharmishta, so all thanks to her. Yeah, exactly. Our photographer, Mr. Ashish, he is like superb, and he pays attention to all detailing and stuff, or to my poses and all, and I got to learn a lot of things from him, learn a lot of new poses from him, and we did so many looks today, around 9, so I think 8 to 9, right? Yeah, so I think it's fab. He did it in like one day, and he also did an outdoor, so it was superb. Yeah, actually मैंने काफ़ी डाइटिंग मैं बहुत दिन से डाइटिंग कर रही हूँ, and this is also one of the reason to get this photo shoot done, because I'm losing weight now, and I thought I'm in the best shape, so I thought why not. And I've been like dieting and not eating any sweets and oily stuff, so it has been tough because I'm a foodie. I can't stay without food, but you have to do so. It's going on. No, size 0 looks very unhealthy, and yeah, it looks very unhealthy and it's not attractive at all, but I'm happy with what I am right now. So this size is perfect, and 1-2 kgs और lose करूँगी तो अच्छा है, but otherwise I'm fine with this.
Lastly, एक message आपके fans के लिए जिनको थोड़ा सा shock लगेगा आपको, बहू अवतार से ऐसे sexy अवतार में देखने.
Exactly. So guys, thank you so much for first of all for all your love, and आप लोग देख रहे हैं मुझे लाइक इस फोटोशूट में बहुत सारे लुक्स है जो आप लोग को देखने को मिलेगा बहुत जल्दी, एंड इन लाइक ऑल डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ लुक्स, एंड आई नो यू गाइज विल बी शॉक्ड, एंड दैट इज द पॉइंट, टू शॉक यू गाइज. दैट्स व्हाट आई वांटेड टू डू.